It's a very good start. The song is been sung very well, composed very well, enacted by all these wonderful actors, and very good direction. I liked it, and even this girl is very beautiful and enacted so well. This new boy Sohail, and of course Yuvraj, very good effort, and I genuinely wish this dedication and this honesty with which they worked. I wish them a lot of success, and I wish them many more. Hearty congratulations to the entire team.
Oh, I think it's beautifully shot. It's just Reshma done a great job, and Yuvraj is my favorite, and I have just loved it. It's looking like a film, and in few minutes they have kind of straight the whole story of a full movie in front of us. It's looking fabulously good. They all are looking fantastic. I'm excited, and I'm going to for sure show this to all my friends, and I hope this does really well. Well, I think today in this song, I saw some glimpses of Kathak, which was very nice. Especially seeing Yuvraj doing it, I think is very beautiful, because I know he's been a Kathak dancer before, and he has learned from Anuj Mishra ji and from Arjun Mishra ji. It just feels fabulous to see what you have done training into, using that in your professional career. And yes, dance has changed and evolved over the period of time in our country, but having a great blend of the two, which we see today in this video, it just looks fabulous, because it has a little bit of international appeal as well, a little bit of romance happening, and the classical elements to it. So the whole blend, I think, is beautiful. It just talks about our country, where we are embracing all kind of dance forms together today.
I would like to say the same thing. Like nowadays, they are collaborating a lot of different dancers. Like he's into salsa and Kathak, and like I'm into Bharatanatyam. So there is a lot of collaboration going on, and everybody is interested in dancing nowadays. And because it changes the personality, presentation. It gives you a grace and expression. Everything. So basically, if you are a dancer, you can express more emotionals and expressions. So yes, it's good.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Since I'm an actor and producer since from my first film, and एक म्यूज़िक वीडियो बनाना मेरा एक शुरू से एक सपना था. मैं हमेशा से एक म्यूज़िक वीडियो बनाना चाहता था. तो सजदा का आइडिया जब मेरे दिमाग में आया था, आई फेल्ट कि एक ऐसा म्यूज़िक वीडियो बनाऊं जिसमें प्यार भी हो, दोस्ती भी हो, एंड एक सॉफ्ट सॉन्ग जिसमें थोड़ा लाइक एक्टिंग, डांस, सब कुछ हो सके. तो इट वाज लाइक वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट टू थिंक सॉन्ग लाइक दिस, जिसमें आप एक्टिंग भी करो, डांस भी करो, रोमांस भी दिखाओ, फ्रेंडशिप भी दिखाओ. तो जब सजदा का आइडिया मेरे दिमाग में आया था, देन आई थॉट कि आई हैव टू मेक इट, एंड देन आई डिड इट.
एक्चुअली मैं बहुत नर्वस था, और जब मैं इनके इस प्रोडक्शन में काफ़ी पहले से हूँ, तो मैंने एज ए स्टिल फोटोग्राफर स्टार्ट किया था. तो धीरे धीरे मैं उसमें कुछ इनको इंटरेस्ट दिखता था. तो उसके बाद एक लाइट कैमरा मर्डर इनकी मूवी है, उसमें मैंने छोटा कैमियो किया है. वो एक लाइक ऑडिशन जैसा था. फिर उसके बाद ये सजदा का इनका प्लान चल रहा था, तो मेरे से बोले थे कि आपका स्किन टेस्ट करते हैं, फिर सजदा के नहीं. तो स्किन टेस्ट हुआ और मैं सिलेक्ट हो गया. तो फिर मैं नर्वस था, क्योंकि युवराज जी काफ़ी काम कर चुके हैं, भी काफ़ी काम कर चुकी, मेरा पहला काम था. तो लेकिन इन दोनों ने मेरी बहुत हेल्प की और उस चीज़ से सबसे निकाला, और मैं अच्छा कुछ कर पाया. आई होप आपको पसंद आया हो. या ऑफ कोर्स एक्चुअली सॉन्ग में एक्टिंग करने को बहुत कम मिलता है. तो ये सॉन्ग ऐसा था, इसमें बहुत एक्टिंग थी. तो ये जैसे मुझे मिला, ऑफ कोर्स मैं अपने आप को लकी मानता हूँ.
I'm really grateful to the guys here who supported me, and I just joined the project in the last moment, and it was a pleasure for me. A lot of support was from their side, and I'm glad it was not just dancing, it was an acting. And I think act without speaking itself is more harder, because you have only your face to express all your feelings. And it was a great, I speak with Yuvraj, and he told me the story of the song, and I heard it, and I've been really touched. And I said, I want to be in this song. I want to do it. And yeah, it was a great time, and a lot of help from the guys.
Actually, they both are very hardworking. She's also very hardworking. She's from Ukraine, and I was surprised when she performed Kathak. There is a small piece of Kathak in the song, and she did it. And same like Sohail, when I saw his first shot, I was surprised. I was confident, definitely, but the way they both delivered, it was mind blowing. मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं हुई, because I'm a dancer actually, and I've done my graduation in Kathak. But I really appreciate Tatiana, and she did few rehearsals not for hours. I mean, she's also dancer, so it's easy for a dancer to attempt any other form, but it's important to be a dancer. She's a dancer, so I mean, उन्होंने easily उस चीज़ को पकड़ लिया और बहुत अच्छे से perform किया.
And Yuvraj is very good teacher. He showed me just quickly.
And the main, I will give this credit to our director and choreographer because she also narrated us very nicely and it was very easy to understand. मेरे दिमाग में आया था एक्चुअली ये एक, जैसे मैंने बिगनिंग में कहा, एक फ्रेंडशिप और एक दोस्ती और एक प्यार दोनों को साथ में लाना. कभी कभी कुछ रिश्ते होते हैं जो प्यार से ऊपर हो जाते हैं. Like if you have noticed in the beginning saga of अनकंडीशनल लव, जहाँ पे प्यार में शर्तें नहीं हैं, तो कहीं ना कहीं वो कैरेक्टर ने अपनी दोस्ती को भी चुना क्योंकि वो लड़की भी उसकी दोस्त है, क्योंकि आप किसी से प्यार करते हो उससे पहले आपको उसका दोस्त भी होना पड़ता है, बट वो लड़का भी उसका दोस्त है, तो उसने उन दोनों की खुशी सोची.
एक्चुअली बहुत चैलेंजिंग था क्योंकि इसमें एक्टिंग वाइज बहुत काम था. ये नॉर्मली सॉन्ग नहीं था कि खाली एक्सप्रेशन देके निकल जाओ. इसमें बहुत हंसना रोना बहुत था, तो काफ़ी चैलेंज था. लेकिन इसमें मेरा फिर से कहूँगा, मेरे को एक्टर टिटियाना एंड युवराज जी बहुत साथ दिया उन लोगों ने मेरा, तो मैं ये
इट वॉज वेरी टायरिंग. बहुत गर्मी थी और हर शॉट में हमें फ्रेश फील करना था. So I don't remember any special moments, but yeah, it was like very back to back, and it was a good experience.
या एक्चुअली इसमें बहुत चेंजेस थे, तो फटाक से किया सीन चेंज करो, फटाक से सीन किया, तो बहुत चैलेंज था इसमें.
And on this note, I would love to announce that I am going to make soon another music single, which I am planning to release on 15th of August. Why 15th of August? There is some reasons. Maybe I think मैं later कभी उसको open करूँगा. But that going to be more bigger than this song.